What's up, ELLO guys? So we're going to just jump into this video on how I made this clear bag. So first I started off with folding a paper in half so that I can go ahead and get my kind of pattern out of the way, because I like to make patterns for all of my things so that I can adjust it, change it later, do whatever, blah blah. So basically I take this bag is going to be measured 12 inches by 10 inches. Now this is without the optional alternative of a closure. In the closure, if you do want to do that instead, which would be in place of the 10 by 12 cutout, you would do a 12 by 12 cutout, and you would have slits in both sides. So I'm going to have a diagram so that you can see what it would look like for the optional alternative, because it's a little, I guess it's a little bit easier, so you don't have to sew as much if you wanted to just cut it out this way. But I did it the other way because that's what I did first, to be honest. So right now I'm cutting out the strap as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to the vinyl material so that I can cut out my bag. Now you see the vinyl material folded over, so I do mine folded over and cut out the 10 by 12. So 10 up, or now I'm sorry, I apologize. I said 10 inches. It's 5 inches. 5 inches if you're doing it folded. If you're cutting it unfolded, it's 10. But if you're cutting it folded like I am, it's going to be 5 by 12. So as you see there on both sides, I'm cutting little slits, and I'll show you a diagram of that so that you can fold over the bag and then go ahead and tape it closed. And also remember to cut off the excess fabric material. I want to call it fabric, but it's vinyl material, so that you can get a complete look, basically a complete bag look. Because if you leave the excess material on, it's just be more bulky, and you don't want that. So now I'm cutting out the strap that'll go on the bag as well. Since there will be 3 layers of vinyl to sew through: the bag, the strap, and the closure, you are going to want the closure to be on the back, the strap to be in the middle, and then the bag of course in the front. And then you'll make your stitches on the outer corners of all 3, and you'll be able, well, hopefully be able to see that in my next footage. But it doesn't matter if that strap is too long. Like I said, it's going to be adjustable, so you'll have a buckle that allow it to be adjustable. So now I'm just making sure the excess sides are cut off. Now I'm ready to sew.
So first we're going to sew down this side. When we're just sewing down this side, the plastic will make it stick, so anything inside isn't going to come out. So we're going to stitch this side up, and then we're going to stitch this side. Stitch all the way up here. You ended it right there. Now you just basically want to do the same thing on the other side. So if you're coming to an issue where the thread's not going through or the needle's not going through as easy as you like it to, puncture 2 holes with your pin or with your needle. Puncture like the next stitching hole, you puncture your hole here, and then you puncture a hole here, and then you go through the hole with the needle.
I got this, Mama.
And it should make it easier for you to go.
thought I'd chime back in so that I can let you know that I'm starting to sew the 3 layers together. And it's, like I said earlier, how to go through the material, pre-poke a hole through the material so that it's easier for you to sew through. Make sure you use the appropriate hand needle, and make sure that you don't stab yourself in the finger. I do it every time I sew. I don't know why, I don't know how it happens, but it does. I have not sewn my finger through a sewing machine though. Seen it happen though. Fashion alum 2015. It's unfortunate. Not that much blood. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about it. Now I'm gonna finish the bag and get to the snap, which I'm gonna do in my garage, and my phone dies after that.
I'm here in the garage. I already attached this side of the snap. Now I'm attaching the back, or the front, the top. Sorry for the quality. My camera kind of died, so I couldn't record that part. Put the snap in. You're gonna want so this is basically how it's going to go on. Alright, so yeah, I would either wear it like this because I do my own ish, or I wear it on the side. So basically I would take this part of the fastener and go ahead and put it on. So you can adjust that as you like, and then snap it shut. So this side of it, like the side of the back. Of course, you have a piece hanging off here in the back, but that's how the little pouch, you can slide it to your side, you can slide it to your other side, what up, boo boo, slide it to the back, boo boo, and I put DC to put the fastener on it, so you guys can open it up, put your things inside, and boom. So yeah, I'm gonna paint this probably. I'm gonna paint it some color. I'm gonna paint it a color or with flowers or something on it. And it's big enough for your phone because I measured it. Across your body, adjust the strap a little bit here, see on over here, and then go around your front. So I typically wear my bags like this, so yeah, like you see this will come up a little bit. I'm about to dart that on down for that curve. Yeah, go on either side. Get it on the granite. A little bit of silver. Have a little bit of the silver, and then purple. Tutorials, a high waist. I went up to here, put a little curve in it so that it kind of curves in, since that's kind of my shape. I mean, I have pleasure in the front, but curves in right here. And so I have that curve going down all the way.